Hey guys, so I'm with my friend and she actually happened to get some Poppets from Romwe.
Before I start popping these Heart Poppets, I just want to say I got all 3 of these Heart Poppets for $6 and I got this one for $2.59. Soft sides and the loud sides. I got 3 of these hexagon Poppets, but I sold one of them. But I also got these for $5. Soft side and the loud side.
These Poppets are actually really good.
If I remember, this one was $2.53 and this one was about $3 or $4. Soft side.
This side is actually really hard.
Yeah. Loud side.
Oh, this side's good.
Last but not least, I got this Poppet.
Overall, Romwe's Poppets are actually pretty good. Bye! I was reading all of my comments and I saw this one, which made me think. I have so many different fidgets, but I have no idea how much it all costs. So I'm going to show you all of my fidgets and you guys can comment how much you think it costs or how much you think it's worth. I've gotten a lot of new fidgets recently and I haven't had time to organize them, so don't mind the mess. Here's the first drawer. I have all of my dimples, pop tubes, and then monkey noodles and zippy bracelets. And then over here I have so many different fidgets. This is so unorganized, but these are all of my Poppets. There's definitely a lot. All of my stress balls. I have a lot of unopened mochis over here, and then these are my personal mochis. As you can see, I am very much obsessed with fidgets. But comment down below how much you think my entire collection is worth. Hi guys, so surprisingly that video did get to 100,000 likes, so as promised, I'm going to be cutting all these squishies. I am going to speed up the cutting part so that I have enough time to cut all the squishies in one video. Okay, let's get started. First up is the bear. I love the feeling of the inside. Next one is this cute baby. Guys, this looks so creepy. Catacorn. The head's actually pretty cute. Okay, ballet slippers. That one took a while, but here it is. Yummy bear. I decided not to cut off the top part. Lastly is the cake. Hey guys, Lulu's Toy Shop on Etsy sent me a couple of awesome fidgets. Her prices are very cheap, and for 10% off your purchase, you can use the code SHARXFidgets. The link to purchase any of these fidgets will be in my bio. The first thing she sent me was this pink unicorn Orbeez ball. It does have a few minor defects, but that is not the seller's fault. Let's squish it. Oh my gosh. This is so fun to squeeze. I love this. Moving on to the next thing is the rainbow slinky. Whoa, this is so cool. It's so stretchy. She also sent me this really cute orange stretchy ball. I love the texture and it does not poke my hands whatsoever. Also, I love all of this confetti. The last thing in this package is this really cool water game. Okay, this is actually so cool. A lot of you guys are wondering how I film my videos, so I'm going to show you. I usually film with my ring light, which is why my videos usually have good lighting. And I place my phone in the phone holder that comes with the ring light so then I don't have to worry about holding it. Here's what it looks like when my phone is in the ring light. And most of the time, I keep my ring light facing my fidgets. And I also can turn my ring light to the left and to the right. This is usually the setup for most of my videos. This is what the setup looks like when I'm filming. And when I film fidget package videos, I usually film on my dresser. And again, I would put my phone in the phone holder and then film like this. And yes, I know I have a lot of unopened mochis. I also keep a lot of slime on my dresser, so whenever I film over here, you may see some slime in the background. If I want to film on the ground or just at a lower angle, sometimes I'll use my phone holder. And my mom actually got this for me as a gift, and I use it so much. Here's an example of me filming with it. I can also film really close up with it. That's all. Bye! I'm just as surprised as some of you guys. I don't know how I got so many followers in such a little amount of time. I really wish I knew how to get an account to get big, but I honestly have no clue. But here are some things that I would recommend. Number 1, post often. I would recommend posting as much as you can during the day. When I first started this account, I posted 5 times, which I feel like gave me a better chance of one of my videos getting on the For You page. Also, make sure your content is consistent. For example, if you're a Fidget account, only post Fidget-related videos. Or if you're a fan page, only post videos of your fan page. Another thing that I recommend is having good lighting in your videos. I happen to have a ring light which I use for my videos, but if you do not have one, then I'd recommend just filming during the day where you have sunlight. And for the people that have been asking, I use a G6 filter in all of my videos. If you guys have any more questions for me, feel free to comment and I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. Bye! Hey guys, it's currently the next day, so let's go check on the mochis. I'm currently wearing gloves because the mochis are probably really dirty and I don't want to get corona. So I did find the mochi and so far it doesn't look too bad. Oh gosh. The sun mochi's still here too, but it's very dirty. And surprisingly, the paw print mochi's still here too. It's just very dirty. Whoa. So I think somebody must have moved this mochi because this one was inside of the plant. So I'm currently walking over to find the, oh my gosh, the green mochi. You can't really tell on camera, but it's very, very dirty. There are so many dogs that walk over here, so, whoa. How is this one still here? That's so confusing. And there should be one in my neighbor's yard. I'm not seeing a mochi. Well, anyways, somebody must have stolen the mochi or it just disappeared. So I was able to find 6 of the 7 mochis. Bye! The video of me putting the scissors up to the squishies is still blowing up. And a lot of you guys wanted me to cut the squishies more. And since that video did get to 2 million likes, I'm going to be cutting these squishies into pieces just like this comment says. So here's the bear. The baby. I really like the head of the catacorn, so I'm not going to be cutting it. But I will cut the body. Now for the 2 slippers. Here's the first shoe. And the second shoe. Yummy bear. The bottom of the yummy bear. And the top. Last is the cake. All the strawberries. Hi guys, so I've been getting a lot of comments like this saying that I buy my followers. And they don't really affect me because I know that I didn't. I didn't even know that buying followers was a thing or that you can even do that. Yes, I am a Fidget account, and yes, I do have 1.6 million amazing followers. I am so lucky to have such a large platform to share my love for fidgets. This was my account when I first started. I had 688 followers and I was literally shaking from so much excitement. And I remember staying up until midnight just refreshing my TikTok page until I hit 1,000 followers. Literally one of the most exciting days of my life. Then about 1 week later, I hit 100,000 followers, 200,000 followers, 300,000 followers, 400,000 followers, 500,000 followers, 600,000 followers, 700,000 followers, 800,000 followers, and 1 million. Thank you guys for all the support, and always make sure to ignore the haters. Bye! It's officially been 1 day since I put the Pop-It in the freezer, so let's go check on it. Wow, wait, did it even? Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. So it did freeze, but it's a little sticky. So technically it didn't exactly fully freeze since it is kind of like liquidy and sticky at the top. Okay, let's bring the Pop-It inside. I have a bowl now, so now I'm going to attempt to take the frozen Gatorade out. Oh my. This is definitely different from water. It's much stickier. I'm actually going to taste test this. It tastes good. It tastes like a slushie. I am definitely going to have to clean this off camera. Bye! Fidget shopping with my dad at Hallmark.
Hi.
Look at all the squishmallows. Oh my gosh! Guys. They have more poppets. Here's a small haul. I only got 2 things. First, I got this avocado toast squishmallow, and its name is Sinclair. And second, I got this bubble Neato, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. I love bubble Neato so much. I just wanted to show you guys all of the food squishmallows that I have. I have 7 food squishmallows, and I love them all so much. That's all. Bye! Hey guys, a really nice company called Fidgetware sent me a couple fidgets that they sell on their website. And if you guys would like to purchase from them, the link will be in my bio. And for 10% off your purchase, use the code SHARX1M. Oh my gosh. They send me everything that comes in the SHARX Fidgets kit, which I think is so cool. And you can get this for less than $14 if you use my 10% off code. They also do ship everywhere in the world. First off, they sent me a mini Rubik's Cube. Next, I'm going to open the mini Poppet. Look how cute. And the quiet side. I absolutely love mini Poppets. Let's open this bag next. I'm so excited for the acupressure rings. It comes with a marble mesh, a smiley stretchy toy, and then of course the acupressure rings. These colors are so pretty. And now let's open the black bag. First thing is a mini snake. These are so fun. And 2 adorable mochi squishies. To see what other fidgets they sell, check the link in my bio. I have a fidget package. I'm so excited. Boost Fidgets sent me another huge fidget package. They have the best poppets ever on their website and some of the newest fidgets. If you want to get yourself an awesome fidget or one of these brand new poppets, the link is in my bio. You can use the discount